Guys, here in this video I am sharing with you 25 MCQs on the Indian writer Naseem Magical. If you like this and new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and like the video. Your subscription and liking this video will encourage me to make more video like that for you for your upcoming exam of UP, PGT and GIC lecturer. So guys, let's start the video. First question is that which of the following poet wrote the essay Naipaul's India and Mine? And the correct answer for that is Naseem Magical. Guys, come to the second question. A Time of Change was written by P. Lal, W.B. Yeats, Naseem Magical, Kamla Das. So right answer for this answer is Naseem Magical. Okay, third questions. The exact name is the name of a volume of poetry written by. So right answer is Naseem Magical. Fourth question on your screen. The theme of Naseem Magical's poem Night of Scorpion is four options: selfless motherhood, helpless husband, restless spectators, and none of these. And correct answer is selfless motherhood. Correct answer is the selfless motherhood. Question number 5. How did the villagers in Night of the Scorpion by Naseem Magical react to the unfortunate incident? And the right answer for that is they stayed away in fear. They thronged to the temple to invoke the deity. They cursed and abused the mother for bringing upon them the wrath of God, or they came in swarm to console the family. So guys, right answer of yours is they come in swarm to console the family. Guys, you all can attempt all these questions and can check the level of your preparation for examination. So guys, try to answer the questions and write me in comment how many of these question answers of yours were correct. And the question number 6, The Unfinished Man, and is a work of Sarojini Naidu, Shiv K. Kumar, Naseem Magical and Atiya Hassan. Again the correct answer is Naseem Magical. Question number 7. Which of the following is written by the Naseem Magical? Four options: Heat and Dust, The Golden Honey Cave, Urban Enterprise and Midnight Children. And right answer is that Midnight Children. Question number 8. Is renowned as a poet in exile from himself, and you have the four options: A.K. Ramanuj, Naseem Magical, Badal Sarkar and Kamla Das. And correct answer again is Naseem Magical. Question number 9. Which of the following Magical's plays based on the theme Give Us the Day, Our Daily American? So you have the four options: Nalini, Marriage Poems and Sleepwalkers. And the right answer for this is Sleepwalker. Question number 10. Which of the following collection of poems is not written by Nisi Magical? Option A, A Time to Change, The Unfinished Man, The Exact Name, The Parrot's Death. So right answer for this question is The Parrot Deaths. All other are written by Ajical, and The Parrot's Death is not written by Naseem Ajical. Question number 11. Who wrote the very Indian poem in Indian English? Very simple question. Answer is Naseem Ajical. Question number 12. In which of the following poems Ajical calls himself a poet, rascal, clown? So guys, try to answer this, and the right answer for this is background casually. Question number 13. Naseem Ajical was born in? Very simple, and answer for that is 1924. Question number 14. Naseem Ajical received the Sahitya Academy Award in the year. Guys, answer this question. And you have the four options: 1983, 1984, 1885 and 1986. And obviously the right answer for this 1983. Question number 15. Who wrote these lines? I cannot leave this island. I was born here and belong. You have the four options: Kamala Das, T.S. Eliot, Whitman and Ajical. And obvious we are talking about the Ajical. The answer for this is also Ajical. Question number 16. Night of Scorpion is written in? You have four choice: blank verse, free verse, iambic pentameter, iambic hexameter. And right answer for this free verse. Next, question number 17. In India by Naseem Ajical depicts the relation between, and you have the four choice: literature and sex, literature and environment, literature and war, and none of these. And the right answer for this is literature and sex. Question number 18. I don't want the yogi's concentration. I don't want the perfect charity of saints, nor the tyrant's endless power. I want a human balance humanly. To which of the Ajicals the above lines are taken? Options: a poem of dedication, Jewish wedding, and the Night of Scorpion, background casually. Guys, answer this question. You have the four choice, and the right answer for this is a poem of dedication. Next, question number 19. Sorry, question number 17, 18. Sorry, question number 20. Naseem Ajical wrote his autobiography and called it A Thousand Failure, A Great Success, My Experiment of Life, and My Failure. And the right answer for this is A Thousand Failure. Next question, question number 21. The central theme of Naseem Ajical's work is social reforms, patriotism, nostalgia, and alienation, and the right answer for this is alienation. Next question. Agical's poem The Patriot is included in A Time to Change, 60 Poems, Hymns in Darkness, and Latter Day Psalm. So in which volume of the poem The Patriot is included? And the answer for this question is Latter Day Psalm. Next question, question number 29. I went to Roman Catholic school. I mugging Jew among the walls. They told me I had killed the Christ. And which of these poets has expressed these lines? So these line of which of the poet given here? And you have the four options: Kamala Das, Nissim Agicals, R.N. Tagore, M.R. Anand. And guys, the right answer for that is again Nissim Agical. Question number 24. Gujaratis, Maharashtrian, Hindi wala, all brother. One day Ram Rajya is surely coming. And who authored these lines? And your answer is again Nissim Agical. And last question. Philosophy, poverty and poetry. Philosophy, poverty and poetry, three companions shared my basement room. Which poem of Agical the above lines are taken from? Options हैं आपके पास: Background Casually, The Night of Scorpion, To a Certain Way, and Patriot. Obvious correct answer for that is Background Casually. So guys, these were the 25 questions on the Indian writer. Sorry, 24. One question. These actually were the 24 questions. There is a mistake in numbering the question. So these are the important questions on the Indian writer Nissim Agical for your examination point of view, particularly for GIC and PGT 2020 to be held in 2 or 3 months to come. So guys, if you like it, kindly share it with your friends and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.